Hey folks, welcome back to another lecture. And in the previous video, we have done a good work on the avatar. In this video, we are going to implement the toggle feature to toggle the theme. So right now, you can see that this is not very user friendly. Why? Because so once you open it, you just have to select light, dark, and then system. But what I liked about this, right, what I liked about Redux UI is that you can just click on this and immediately it switches the theme. This looks much better because I don't really have to then open something and then select, and this is not very like I'm too lazy to what I can say, I'm too lazy to just select a drop down like this and change it, right? So I think let's just implement this part. I think this is cool. All right, so how exactly can we implement this? So let's first of all create a item component, sorry. And yeah, we are not writing test cases as we go because again the video will get stretched along, so I'll just create a separate video after completing the feature to write some test cases. I know this is not ideally done because the moment you raise a feature PR, you also include test cases. So we are going anti-pattern over here, just a call out. Don't make this assumption that tests are written after that. The same pull request which you raise, in which the feature is, in the same pull request you add your test as well. But since this is not possible given the time constraints we have for a single video, that's why I am creating separate video on writing test cases. I hope that is understood. Okay, so now we'll come on to the development part and we'll create a component to toggle the theme. Since this is again related to only the navigation menu, so I'll just create the the theme toggle inside the navigation menu only. So I'll call this as theme toggle.tsx. Okay, and what else we have? Let me check. Yeah, we have a use theme. All right. So first of all, import use theme. Okay, this is not coming. Why next theme is not coming? Wait, let me grab this over here. So it is saying that cannot find next themes. Yeah, probably because we have to install this. So next themes, and so over here you can see that on the shared CN. Now what is shared CN? Alright, I'll tell you guys. So build your own component library, beautiful design components that let you copy paste in your apps and accessible, customizable, and blah blah blah. So this is like a place containing all of components. It is not a component library because the doc clearly says that this is not a component library. It is only a collection of reusable components that you can copy paste. So that is how it works. So inside this we have a lot of components. We are only interested in next themes. So I'll just yarn add next theme. This would get installed, and what I have to do is we have to first create a theme provider. The UI is not very friendly. Yeah, this looks good. So this we have to create a theme provider and then we have to add everything there. So let's quickly do this. All right, so we have to first create a provider. So we have already a folder for the context. So I'll just create a new file called as theme provider.tsx. And we can, I think, just copy paste this theme provider.tsx. This is a use client. This is working just fine, and I just have to wrap my theme provider across the layout. So I will head over to my layout. And over here, now all of this is, I think, already understood. The way we implemented the auth provider, it shouldn't be that tough. So import what is the export? It is a theme provider. Import theme provider. And how are we? Okay, so this is how we have to wrap. This is, so we are going to wrap this above, obviously, because provider doesn't need any information of the auth. This is theme provider for you, and we are moving this inside. Let me save this. And what it is, so they have this cool icon. So they have sun icon, moon icon from Redux UI. And if you don't know, my friends, this shared CN, under the hood, it is, these components are created using Redux UI only, which we are using at the first place. So we are going to copy the icons, and let's make sure nothing breaks. Yep, this looks good. And see, the moment I implemented this, I think by default it changed my theme to dark because I have enabled system. So how can we make sure it is done? Because if you see, the class dark is added by default. I didn't do anything. This is great stuff. Okay, and the moment this means that the next themes is working fine. All I need to do is I just need to introduce a feature to tweak my themes. So I'll head over to my theme toggle. Okay, we'll also copy the moon icon and the sun icon. And shall I do this? No, yeah, I'll not do this. This is too ugly. I'll just do RAFC. We don't need React. Theme toggle. And over here, let me grab. So const set theme. All right. Now I'll just use my moon icon over here. And I'll also use my sun icon over here. And I'll say on click, set theme. And this looks for predefined values. So if you look at the code, so for the light it is light, and for dark it is dark. So when we click on moon, we have to go dark. Okay, and I can just grab this, paste it over here, and whenever I click sun, I should go light. Okay, and obviously we'll have to check what is the current theme. Okay, let us see what are we seeing. We have not imported these theme toggle, so I'll just quickly come over here. So next to avatar, theme toggle. Okay, I can clearly see these two guys. Yeah, this is working. You might not be able to see it right now, but this is working fine. So by default, this navigation bar is always going to be dark because that is how the JIRA exactly looks. They don't glow. They don't go light. Okay, the color doesn't changes to white or something. It keeps black as it is. So that is why I'm doing the same. So over here, I just need to get the current theme. What is it exporting? 1 second, let me check. So next, themes provider. How come it is possible, man? Why can't we get the current theme? This is not we want. So it gives us the theme. Okay, so let us check. Let us log this value. Theme. So this is dark. Okay, so we are able to fetch it. And now it becomes really very easy. If theme equals to dark, then show a moon icon. Okay, because it is dark. Or am I doing it opposite? Wait, I just got confused. So if it is a moon icon, if it is dark, then it is moon icon. Otherwise, it is sun icon. Okay. So if it is dark, then we have to see a moon. And here comes the question mark. Otherwise, it has to be a sun. And we just have to change. Okay, we just have to change. So this would not do dark. This would do dark. And this would do light. Okay. Now we can see this. So now if I click this, click this, click this, click this, and class name, text white always. Yep. And let us quickly add some font sizes. What is the font size we want? Alrighty. So height 30, width 30. Is this working? Will this be okay? Oh, too much. 25. 25. Okay, much better. Yeah, this looks much better. And let's just add a cursor pointer. And we need some extra space. On the right. So, and this is only for desktop. So SM MR3, and voila, we are good. So this is really awesome. Okay, this theme toggling, and I think we are done with basic feature. Why is it always in loading state? All right. Yeah, I was waiting for this error, right? I was just waiting for this error. You can see that this request got forbidden. We are not able to fetch images from Google, from L3 Google user consent and other stuffs. Why exactly this is happening? So this is happening because we have not authorized our application to fetch data from this particular domain. That is the sole reason this is happening. To fix this, we have to do just a really quick setup. Okay, a really quick fix. Just kill your application, open the file Next.js, and just replace this code. What this is doing, that we are saying that in the Next.js config, that whatever are the images, and if the image URL follow this pattern, that it has starts with HTTPS and it has a Google user content.com domain, and irrespective of the port and the path name, you can fetch the images. Now if I just do yarn dev, okay, and I restart, by the way, this shimmer was looking just awesome. And this thing is still failing. All right, ideally it shouldn't. L3 Google user content.com, and this is exactly what I have done. I think it takes some time maybe to get this working, but this will eventually work. Not at the moment, but this would get work for sure. I am very sure this will start working because maybe there is some bug. For that reason this is not showing immediately, but this is obviously going to work. Anyways, we have covered this themification. This is looking really awesome. So this was all in this particular video. I'll see you guys in the next one.